and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase your TV box's internal storage using a memory card. That's right, folks. A lot of times, you end up installing several apps on your TV box, and as everyone knows, it doesn't have much internal storage. And with the memory card I'm using here, which is 32 gigabytes, right? I'm going to increase my TV box's internal storage to 32 gigabytes so I can install more apps, right? And free up space on the TV box. You'll be able to install a lot more apps and your TV box will run better with just these tips, folks. I'm using a micro memory card, right? As you can see, it's adapted right here, look. So what are you going to do, guys? The first step is to go into settings, right? Go into settings and scroll down to about. In about, scroll down to build number and click on it several times using the OK button on your remote. You'll click it and it will activate developer mode. Once you've done that, go back to the previous screen, scroll down a bit, and check here. Developer mode is already active, see, after I click several times on the build number. Now you're going to press OK here on developer mode, right? And then scroll down to the option I'm about to show you here. Look. Here it is, this option, guys. You're going to enable this option. Force allow apps on external storage. Once you've done that, go back to the previous screen, okay? Make sure your memory card is inserted into your device, right, so you can do this process. Or if you have a full-size memory card that doesn't need a micro SD, that works too. You can also use that one as well. You're going to insert it into your TV box, right? You can also do this with a flash drive, just so you know, but here I'm using a memory card. Keep in mind that it will need to stay in your TV box, okay? Because the apps will be transferred entirely to the memory card. Once that's done, guys, these options will show up for you here. Set up removable storage, set up as device storage. Here it's showing that the memory card is already connected, right in the slot here. And I'm going to set it up as device storage. You're going to press OK on your remote, and it will ask you to format it, right? If you have any photos or anything else saved, make sure to back them up or transfer them to another device so you don't lose them, okay? You click on Format. It will start the formatting process. And it will begin formatting your memory card. It's important that during this process, you don't remove the memory card, okay? Otherwise, it could corrupt your files, right? Make sure not to remove the memory card and just wait for the process to finish. So, what happens here, guys? Here, when we did this setup, it already gave us this option, right? In case I want to move the apps to the memory card now, or if I want to move them later. I always choose the second option, you know, which is move later. I'm going to click on it, and it's really simple for you to do this and change the destination of your apps, pointing them to the memory card. And just a reminder for those who made it this far, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share this with your friend who just bought a TV box. Okay. And it came with very little memory, internal storage. And with this process, you'll be able to free up more space and install a lot more apps. Now guys, here's what you're going to do in the next step. You're going to go into settings, right? Then go into apps. And here, guys, on this screen, you'll see the apps I have on my TV box. And you can see they're taking up, look, 167 megabytes, 78, 21. And as we know, the storage on the TV box is really Really small, right? This will give you 32 gigs, so you can install a bunch of apps on your TV box. You're going to press OK on the app you want to move to different storage. And here, it has this option called Storage Used. Here, as you can see, like I mentioned to you, right? Here on my TV box model, it has 4 gigs available, which means it's already full, right? And here on my memory card, I have 29 gigs available. I'm going to select my memory card here, and automatically, this app will free up space on my TV box and will be installed on the memory card. It's transferring now, right? You just need to wait for the transfer to finish. And you can do this with the other apps you want on your TV box as well. By doing this, you'll be freeing up space, right? This will make your TV box faster and let you install more apps, since as we know, it's limited. But this way you can install a lot more apps for movies, series, and so on. There are a lot of things you can install on your TV box this way. Now just wait for the process to finish, right? Alright everyone, the process is done. Okay, let's check it out here. It's already on the SD card, see? As you can see here, 167 megabytes are being used on the SD card. In other words, it's already been transferred. And just a reminder, guys, if that initial screen I showed you doesn't pop up when you insert a memory card or flash drive, you'll have to do this manually. How? You'll go into Settings. Then scroll down here to More Settings, right? And look for Storage here. Here you're going to select the storage. And here on the 3 little lines, guys, on the right side, you'll go to Format right here. You'll format the memory card, and then just follow the other steps to transfer your app to the memory card. So that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to show you today in this video. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share this with your friend who has a TV box and wants to free up more space and make it work better. Share it with your friend. So that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to show you in this video. At the end screen, I'll leave 2 videos for you related to this topic. Click on one of them, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, see you next time, and I'm out.